Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you very much for joining this tea time. My name is Tsukada. So now I'm acting as the director of the Research Support Division of AIMR. And thank you very much for coming today to listen to the talk by the Professor Tsukada, his last lecture. And today some professors are coming from very far from Sendai. For example, Hashizumi Sensei from Saitama, Tsukada Sensei from Tokyo, and somebody now coming from far from Sendai. And thank you very much for coming to Sendai today. And as you know, Professor Tsukada Sensei retired from his position of the administrative director of AIMR on March 31st. And soon he will leave Sendai for Tokyo. And today is just before he's leaving Sendai. And maybe we think that this is the last chance to listen to his talk. And as you know, Tsukada Sensei largely contributed to the development of AIMR. And so first half, 4 or 5 years as a principal investigator, and second half, 5 or 6 years as an administrative director managing the administration. And now we'd like to express our sincere gratitude for his great contribution to the development of AIMR. And today we asked Professor Tsukada to give a last lecture. And before that, I'd like to introduce his bio briefly before his talk. And Professor Tsukada obtained a PhD degree from Department of Physics, the University of Tokyo in 1970. And then he became a research associate at the Faculty of Science, University of Tokyo. And he became associate professor of the Institute for Molecular Science, Bunshiken at Okazaki, in 1976. And then he became, he came back to the University of Tokyo as an associate professor in 1982. And he was appointed to the full professor of the University of Tokyo, Faculty of Science in 1991. And once he retired from the University of Tokyo 2004. And then he moved to the Waseda University and as a professor. And 4 years later, he moved to this WPI AIMR in 2008 as a principal investigator. And 2012, he was appointed to the administrative director of AIMR, and also concurrently held the specially appointed professor at AIMR, Tokyo University. And as I said, on March 31st this year, he retired from the position of the administrative director. And one month, we asked him to be here 1 month to teach us many things. And 1 month, and then today is the last day he is working at the AIMR. And so now, if Tsukada Sensei is ready for the talk, I'd like to ask Professor Tsukada